Manaka, yan Manaka. Good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning, to all the mothers that are tuning in from home, making breakfast for the kids. Because today, there's no school. Government of the day is thinking of our kids not to go to school. It is also our duty as parents to protect our kids to and on the ngaronirotiko mera maru, keep them inside the house.
Right.
Don't let them go outside and play in the rain or the drains or whatever, to go and swim in the nearby creeks or river. Please, parents, keep our kids safe at home.
Don't Manaka.
Give them jobs to do, chores, activities, watch TV, or revise with
bond that kept us all together every time.
Right.
We love our children in this weather. We love our family too in this weather.
Yes.
Sometimes we look outside, we see the rain. Some of the children wants to play outside.
Right.
Please maintain.
Some fellas don't want to go to work this morning.
Yes, true.
Yes.
If you see the air, it's windy. You see the water, it's floody. Every time we see everybody, we say, good morning. Good morning, my neighbor. Good morning, my driver, bus driver. Good morning, taxi. Good morning, everyone. Greet them in a good morning. To lead them in a positive vibes.
Right.
Every time windy. Windy. Mentau tangi-tangi mong kono matakan. Neck to neck ngor na pinrekola. This kind of weather when it's windy. I like this kind of weather when go and walk in your happy hour.
I thought you went to the village over the weekend.
I was planning to go to the village.
And then what happened?
Because I was weekend off from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Why?
Because my mom was here.
Very jealous of you.
I was asked my mom, you'll go to the village or you happy Easter here? He said he will happy Easter here.
She will spend the Easter here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I was okay. I wasn't able to go.
Okay.
So from there, lucky. Because Vinne, or what's the name of this cyclone? Was coming. Was coming. If like that, the cyclone was coming, I wasn't able to come to Suba to work this morning.
Mabanga, kota kita no misul beli na koro.
Kita lazy no baby.
So the children will be at home today. Because most children like to play in the pond.
Yes.
Na tumbola lai lihat kira na badal kaya na matag binani ko. And demasi your message to all the mangurir do susu manu.
Yes. To all the livestock farmers.
Right.
Please maintain discipline this weather. If you know where they are is flooded, you kept them in a high risk.
Maintain discipline.
Kau tira tak kena olive oil.
Mana?
Iya so nahalan. Na andela. Only bukan nesa. In the highlands so that they can keep nicely there.
Right.
If you see this weather, let the rope empty from their neck. Serahkan tali.
Let it loose.
Because the wind is windy.
Yes, true.
If you see them, because anything can fall on them, they will surprise they will neck themselves. Because when they kindatala. That's why I told you people, leave the neck out from their neck. Leave the hose pipe. Nandali.
Kaya sa type nandali?
Kaya sa type nandali, waro na songko.
Waro na kuro.
SPCA.
Lautaka right now, as we speak, Lautaka is experiencing strong winds and heavy rain. Right now, may nekambula. So if you tune into BTFM page, you will see the post there in videos of strong winds and heavy rain happening down in the west.
May mamangka yung kan di sa dormo tsika na lubu ni tiko kere merangaro na lubenta. And vision ni raki dormo tsika na ngono. Biki bilo kanta na sa sa bakara.
Fina Cox from all the way from the west end of Fiji. Good morning to you, Fina Cox and the family joining this morning.
And for all the drivers as well, please be very careful when you are driving this morning. Who?
Ngoma.
Oh, Ngoma.
Is feeling the wind.
Yes, Ngoma right now. Yes.
Oh,
Ako
di
pati
mo
kunatangin
na-
na
Ngoma
Ngoma.
Oh, pinapuli usar.
Hey, let's hear the voice from Eddie Lovett.
Iyo.
Innocent Man. Ano? Innocent.
Some people stay far away from the door if there's a chance of it opening up. They hear a voice in the hall outside in hope that it just passes by.
Iya. Keto, babin bilang.
Gagaraw ni dati ko matangay vale.
Iyo.
Bikin tasar nga ng gasitake. Nantaw ko ni tuguno to ni tata kau wai dar ni tako sa na beu diwai.
Iyo.
Rani adar badala ka.
Dina. Napali bunoa.
Iya.
Kita
Right.
sa-
Nawai ka lang met tawati ko, Adi.
Iya, pamutar na wai.
Iya.
Pamutar na
Pamutar na
wai.
wai,
Iya.
membalitir na ngone.
Right.
Right.
Napali usar, minta kayo sa tala na matalimata, kamaroon